Hello, good afternoon, good morning, or good day wherever you are. My name is Mary Ann. As you all know, I'm bringing you something special today again from Delicious Food Network. And as you all can see, what I have here is turkey, and here is ginger. This one is the jalapeno. Then I have in here like baby carrots. I have onion, white onion or yellow onion would do. And here I have my celery. Here I have my garlic. It's already peeled and everything is washed and ready to go. Here is my salt for taste, and here is a curry, and here is the non-spice. So what I'm doing today, as you all know, Thanksgiving is fast approaching, and we always have a special dish on Thanksgiving, and turkey is the main thing. So I know different people from different countries celebrate Thanksgiving in different ways, but from where I came from to where I live, on Thanksgiving we always have a big feast. So I'm gonna get you ready before the Thanksgiving day, just in case if you don't know how to prepare your turkey, or if you're so worried that maybe you want something different from what you normally get, different taste. So today from this Delicious Network Kitchen, I'm gonna try to make your Thanksgiving for this year a special one. So you follow me and see how I prepared my special ingredients for this turkey, and I believe it's always come out yummy, something that you always want to go back and try over and over. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna peel the ginger. I haven't peeled the ginger, so just peel it. Ginger, even the skin of the ginger is very healthy. Ginger is, oh my god, there's a lot of good benefits from ginger. Ginger is good for your digestive system. Then ginger is good for people that are dealing with a kind of diabetes, and a lot of good benefit you can get from ginger. Even the skin is very good. Cold, when it's kind of really cold time, a lot of people go through like flu and all those things. So ginger, I don't even have to peel the back. The back is very healthy also. So, but now on what I'm using it for, I like to peel the back. I don't need the back on this. And I have quite a little bit big ginger, because as you can see, the turkey is a big one, so I want something that will come out the way I want it. I don't like to rush so much most of the time, because sometimes if I rush that much, you might miss some parts. So I just take it easy. So I will let you, work along with me. So good. Ginger is peeled. And this is my blender. Always excited to bring something different. So like me, I told you, I love to cook. Cooking is my favorite thing to do. And I know a lot of people out there, they love to cook also. And most of the time, you get tired, having the same taste every day, every year. Like either you went to the store and get a already cooked turkey or a baked one, maybe because you're tired of the taste that you normally get. But it's gonna be something awesome this year that you are, you are so happy that, okay, I'm making something different. Let me see how it's gonna come out. And maybe your family and friends will take your recipe along with them when they are, leaving. So that would be awesome. So right now I put it in the blender and I pour in my garlic. Here the onion. I just want to cut it so it will be easy to blend. Carrot, you not blend carrot. Carrot, you're just gonna stuff inside the turkey. So you don't have to blend it, carrot. And the onion, you see, I use the whole of the onion because of the flavor. So the turkey, again, I said the turkey is a big turkey, so you want to use enough onion that will give it a, very good flavor. Alright, so now I'm gonna blend it. Just add a little bit water, so that it will be easy to move around the blender. Now this is what I do. I'm gonna measure the portion that I need from this spice is the Knorr, salt, and the curry powder. I'm just gonna measure the quantity that I need, and I mix everything all together because you don't want it to be more or less. So you watch and see what I do. Okay, this is quite a new one. Okay, the curry powder, it's like 1 teaspoonful. My salt, I use 2. And this, I could have added more salt, but you know why I couldn't add more salt? Because this Knorr is kind of salty also, so you don't want to add too much salt and mess the turkey up. So 2 tablespoons will be enough. And then mix it all together. So you know you can go to the store and get like the turkey stuff thing that they sell in the store. It's already made. You can use it to stuff your turkey, but it's always the same thing. So what you do at the end, you're gonna stuff this right inside the turkey. I just washed my hand because I'm gonna use my hand for this part.